rushing for the train, grabbing a bacon sarnie, dodging the rain. The office is buzzing, the boss is on my case, but I'm keeping my chin up, putting on a brave face. It's a 9 to 5, but I'm still alive, juggling the deadlines, trying to survive. From the grind of the week to the weekend's delight, I'm chasing the balance, getting it right. Lunchtime's a sandwich, eating at my desk, dreaming of a holiday somewhere sunny, no stress. Colleagues aren't answering, sharing office banter, but I'm counting the hours, just waiting for the answer. Clock out time arrives, I'm out like a shot, heading to the pub for a well-earned tot. Meeting up with mates, having a chin wag. Forget about the emails, I'm switching off the tag. Weekends are for me time, no work in sight. Lions in the morning, staying up at night. Catching up on telly or a walk in the park. Recharging my batteries, igniting that spark. Monday comes too soon, back to the grind. But I've got my goals and I'm keeping them in mind. Work hard, play hard, that's the way it goes. Finding that balance, that's how it flows. Life's not all about the daily grind, it's the little moments, the peace you find. From the office hustle to the weekend's cheer, I'm living my life year after year. Life's not all about the daily grind, it's the little moments, the peace you find. From the office hustle to the weekend's cheer,